9.3 Parallel lines and transversal. I can identify and evaluate parallel and transversal lines.
Thank you, Mateo. Well done. All right, parallel lines. Two lines that never intersect. When I think of parallel lines, I think of railroad tracks. Do railroad, not necessarily the tracks, but the iron, I have to say that word. The iron that like runs along railroad tracks never will intersect each other. And then the symbol that Miss Ackerman gave you is two straight lines, two vertical straight lines. Transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines, and it looks like she gave you an example of that happening. Corresponding angles in the same position if you have a transversal. So does everybody see this little angle right here?
Yes.
Does this little angle that I circled down in blue the second time look like it'd be about the same angle?
Yes.
So they're sitting in the exact same spot on two parallel lines being intersected by a transversal. So those are corresponding angles. Okay, then Miss Ackerman brought you through when a transversal happens to parallel lines, special things start taking place, and you can have angles that are equal. Y'all know why this angle right here, everybody see what I'm doing? Yeah. And this angle right here, why are those angles equal? Who can tell me the reason they're equal? Come on.
Because they're vertical.
Vertical. We know vertical angles are equal. Okay? So why is this angle, everybody see the one I'm doing in green right there?
Yeah.
Equal to this angle. What's the reason that those two angles are equal, Mateo?
Congruent.
Not congruent. We just had this word, Alan. No, Didier. No, I just gave you the word. Prejean. No. TC.
Vertical. Corresponding.
When I was up here, I just circled them and said when they're in the same position on parallel lines, so these two lines are parallel, these two angles are in the same position. I think I'm circling them way too much. They become corresponding, right? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Corresponding angles. Okay, so I'm going to actually just draw my own right now. This angle right here, let's just call that angle 1. Let's call this angle 2. Are those equal angles?
Yes.
If you look at those two angles, this angle makes the same shape as this angle, and the reason being they sit in the exact same spot on two parallel lines. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So therefore those are corresponding. Everybody say corresponding.
Corresponding.
They're corresponding angles. Okay, so we have vertical angles and we have corresponding angles. Okay, and I think when we slid down, oh, that's all you guys did. Whoops. Thought we did a little bit more than that, but I guess not. Okay, little quiz here. This angle right here and this angle right here, are they equal?
Yes.
Because of
Vertical.
vertical angles. Okay, one more. I'm going to call this angle A, and I'm going to call this one angle B. Are they equal?
Yes.
Because of
Corresponding.
corresponding. We get the idea?
Yes.